Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you why did my progressive insurance go wrong. One of the biggest reasons you rate drop in safety driving. If you avoid accident, tickets or claim, progressive may reward you with a lower rate at renewal. If your progressive snapshot, your driving habit matters. Drive smoothly, braking gently and avoid late night driving can lower your rate. Good driving is equals to lower insurance costs. Progressive may have added or updated discount like safe driving discount, multi-policy discount, continuous insurance discount, automatic payment. This can lower your bill without you doing anything. Your rate may go down if you drove fewer miles, you removed a driver, you changed vehicle, your car got old and lost value. This less risks usually means a lower premium. Log into Progressive app or website and review your coverage. Make sure you are not paying for extra you don't need. If you drive less now, update manual or annual mileage. Lower mileage can mean lower rates. Call or chat with Progressive and ask if you qualify for new discount. Sometimes they don't apply automatically. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.